Everyone, welcome back to Code's project. In today's video, we're going to be solving the merge sorted array problem on Leetcode. So go ahead and pause the video and go through the problem description. All right, let's break this down now. So we're given two integer arrays, nums1 and nums2. Both are sorted in non-descending order. Nums1 has some extra space at the end to accommodate all elements of nums2 to be merged into nums1. Our target is to merge both the arrays, and then we must return the final sorted array in nums1. So let's get into it now. What we're going to do is we're going to copy the meaningful part of nums1 by concatenating nums1 only the first m elements with our nums2. So basically we're going to replace nums1 in place with the first elements of nums1 and concatenate with nums2, and then we're going to finally sort our combined array, nums1 dot sort. So what we're doing is we are extracting the meaningful part from nums1, only the first m elements, and then we are concatenating nums1, the first m elements, with nums2, and then the result will replace the content of nums1 with this merge list. And then finally, we're going to combine it and then return the sorted array. Let's go ahead and run it. All right. Okay, looks like all our test cases are passed. So the extracting and concatenating this is going to take big O of m plus n, and then sorting is going to take big O of m plus n times log of m plus n. So the overall time complexity is going to be big O of m plus n times log m plus n. And the space complexity for this is going to be O of 1 for this step, the sorting step. But then the concatenating takes creates a temporary array. So the total space complexity is O of m plus n. So you can further reduce the time complexity by using the 3-pointer or a 2-pointer approach. By reducing up to big O of m plus n. So if you need that video, drop them in the comments and I'll get that posted. If you have any questions or if you need anything, let me know. Hope you liked it. Do like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.